Hi, my name is Akiva Goldman. I'm an attorney at Goldman & Associates, and I'd like to answer the question of what one might expect in a Michigan divorce. Well, you know, Michigan is a no-fault divorce state. So therefore, when you're getting divorced in our jurisdiction, the whole idea of everything that you might need to prove in order to substantiate your divorce, in order to prove your divorce, may be somewhat counterintuitive if you're basing your knowledge on what you might see on TV. For example, you might see television shows where they prove that this person's an adulterer, or she's a gambler, this one did this wrong, this one did that wrong. And you might think that those proofs are necessary in a Michigan divorce. Because we're a no-fault divorce state, none of that is really relevant to the issue of divorce. A person here can get a divorce simply for the asking. Now, having said that, those other fault factors may be relevant not to getting the divorce itself, but to some factors within the divorce, like whether or not there should be more alimony or less alimony. Potential property distribution might be somewhat impacted by these issues. But I want to tell you that you're never going to find in our state a divorce situation where the court has a hearing and gives somebody 100% of the assets and gives somebody zero. The court is always bound by principles of equity. Therefore, you will see case after case after case where the court finds that there is a fault factor and that should be taken into account. The vast majority of those make a distribution that's 55-45, maybe 60-40. In favor of the non-at-fault party. You do not find scenarios where the court is giving 80% to one person, 20% to the other after a long-term marriage. It simply doesn't do it. So if you're looking at a Michigan divorce and trying to figure out what to expect, these are amongst the things one might expect in a Michigan divorce. If you have any questions about that, reach out, and of course, we'll be glad to help you out. If you have found this helpful, though, please like, comment, and share.